Welcome, one more time, with the one and only Chemastro, the one who sees the future. Guys, this morning I was checking content on YouTube and Twitter, whatever, anything, right? And I was seeing a trend, pun intended. I was seeing a trend that people in the Bitcoin slash crypto space are getting scared. Everybody is afraid. They're afraid of September. Everybody looking at the historical data, seeing that September has always been bearish. So I wanted to see if there's a correlation between what happens on the chart for September and the astrological data that I've been sharing with you before, if there's a correlation or not. So we're gonna find out in this video if there is a really correlation or not. And I think you understand now from the title of the video, there is, and I'm gonna tell you why 2019 is the new 2023 is the new 2019. So strap in and get ready for an amazing ride. Let's go. Okay, so as I mentioned, I was obsessed with the fact that September is very interesting. Looking at the data everywhere, so the September has about an average of minus 7% profit across the last maybe 10 years for Bitcoin. So I did look at the history. And I want to share this with you. Okay. So number one, I'm going to show the chart. Then I'm going to show you, I took snapshots, pictures visually to show you the differences in how September affected the price of Bitcoin on the chart, the trading chart. Then I'm going to show you in the astrology. And bear with me, I'm going to try to make it less technical when I talk about the astrology stuff. Then I'm going to tell you at the end my prediction, right? So let's just start. So for the month of September, let me just pull here I was trying to see what happens from September 1st up to September 30th for the years of 2022, 21, 20, 2018, 2019. And of course, our beloved year, which is the present now. So I did mark these shapes, and you're beginning to see something here, right? This W shape. It's a win, but there's another shape too. There's another win, and there's an L, guys. That's 2019, by the way. I think you can just click off the video now. Like, why are you staying? That's pretty much it. It's another L 2023. Okay, so I had a picture. I had 5 pictures here just to show you what's going on. So this is 2018 at the top right, 2019 top left, 2020, 2021, 2022. And you can see the amazing correlation between 2020 and 2018. Okay? Let's just start by these two. For 2020, we started at the top, down, top, not really at top, it's just like lower high, bottom. But this one is a higher low. Then we get a relief. We get the hell out of September, this crazy month. Here's the same. Top, bottom. So bottom, top, bottom, top. And it had 2 higher lows, which is very interesting. If we come to 2021 and 2022, they look a little similar except for a little bit of difference. You have here top. Let me just put this all up here so you can see in a better way. Top, bottom, top, bottom, top. Okay? Top, bottom, high, lower, but this is a lower low, lower low. Then at the end, the difference still in the negative. The end here is negative, but the difference between 22 and 2021 in the middle, that middle thing was a little like a hump all the way up, which is higher than the other 2 edges. It's very interesting. Can't you tell? It's super interesting, right? 2019 is the only year when we started September, the first week, if you pay attention, all of the 4 years, other 4 years, we start the first week as a downtrend. 2020, 2018, 2022, and 2021. They all go down, except for 2019. It started the first week bullish, trying to loop in all these people, then down, son. And it's an L, W, 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 even though it's not really a W, but definitely that one is an L. Okay. So, they're good. Yeah, I know you've been looking at them, and I've been working on them, so it's okay. You can take a look. That's fine. I'm not gonna judge if you're just staring at my big arms. It's fine. So, why I'm thinking that 2023 will be another L shape like that as 2019? Well, let's just take a look at the charts here. I want to get back to 2019, but this was insanely cool, right? This was really cool if you ask me, and I'm pretty sure you like it too. If I get back to 2019, and by the way, guys, 2019 was the year before the halving, right? So we have so many similar things between 2019 and 2023, which is, you know what I'm talking about. If I zoom out here, do you remember this top? Then we go through all that misery. Then another bottom here before we pick on the biggest, on the last all-time high run, right? So, is history repeating itself? I really think so, but with a little bit of spice. So here in the 2019, you can see that we had this consolidation, like a bear market, trying to go up, it didn't work, then go a little down. There's just a little bit of similarity what we have now. I wish I can pull them together. Let's see if I can do that in TradingView. Yeah, I think I can. Awesome. So I want to zoom in from July up to October, and here the same from July. It's really interesting, you know what I'm saying? It's really interesting. And let's just put it like that into perspective, into a better perspective, up to October. Yeah, this is kind of similar. If I just push it a little bit, I'm starting here at 18th of June, starting here at 18th of June, same. Okay, do you see the uptrend of June? Then a little, I don't know what do you call that? This weird thing happening, a little bit of consolidation. That consolidation was a little more boring though, the one we're at now. Then you get this down here, right? Then you get that up. That's what I'm shooting for, guys. This is what I'm rooting for, right? This is what I'm looking for here. It's going a little bit up before it goes down again, okay? Up, then down again. So I had here in this chart, 2023, which is our year now. Let's just get back to the present, okay? I had either a W or an L. This is just my prediction, just a W or an L. Again, it can be a W, and remember, the W's just the first week will be bearish. That means now we are in the very first week of September. That means you're going to keep going down, okay? It can go up, down 24. Then you're going to make a lower low or a higher low, right? So it can be like that, or it can be here before it just get the hell out of here. But in both cases, the net result will be a net negative, right? It should come here at the net negative. But I just don't want to focus on this too much for now. So that was on the charts. What about the astrological charts, right? So in the astrological chart, what do you see here? This is the difference between 2023 and 2019. You can see a lot of similarities. Guys, if you see a lot of blue lines, that means there's some bit of compatibility. And the thing is, the stars were aligning in a very similar fashion. You got this planet, the sun, super similar. Look at the degrees here. This is the same day, September 15th, mid-month. You got this guy here, Mars and Libra here. This is Mercury and Libra. This is Mars and Virgo. But this guy is a little different here. Where's the Mars? Yeah, that one in Virgo, that one in Libra. That one in Libra, that one in Virgo. It's super similar. You can see even by your eyes that these four planets here are the same but different order. It's super fucking similar, guys. Super freaking similar. Same planets, different order. The only different thing is this guy here, which we have now, which is pretty positive. That's why I think 2023 will be very similar to 2019, but a little better. It's not going to be as bad. So maybe that downtrend is not going to be that bad. Maybe we're going to stop here. And if I add my pivot, the pivots back, which I love to do the pivots, it can stop here or here. It can be a 25 or it can go all the way down to 24. But we're not going to go lower than that because I still think September is not going to be as bad as 2019. But definitely I'm thinking we might get something similar to this L shape. It's all predictions, guys, okay? So this is just my predictions. I showed you the visuals on the chart. I showed you why I'm thinking that this is going to be a repeat. I have the stars aligning at the same time. What about news? I don't know about, I didn't do a research on the news in 2019, what happened in that time, September. But right now, guys, we're going through a lot of push and pull for the news. We have this EC, we have this, we have that. We have people saying this, we have people saying that. It is okay. I don't want you to worry about all of this. I need you just to understand that we have here levels that should not be broken because there's a lot of people like you and me huddling, keeping our Bitcoin. We're not gonna sell. We're just not gonna sell. You're not gonna sell. I'm not gonna sell. I have my Bitcoin in a hard wallet here in my safe in my house. I'm not selling that fucking shit. End of story. Do you understand? So people will be like, oh, Bitcoin is going to 15,000. It's not going to 15,000. It's not going anywhere. It's just gonna hover around that area, and same as 2019. That big dip you remember you saw in 2019 that we had when it went all the way down. I really honestly don't think we're gonna get this. I don't remember why this happened. I really don't remember. Maybe there was something there. You can correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. If you can tell me in the comment section what happened there, but it's definitely not going to be the same. And the thing is, there's this vibe there's this mainstream vibe now, which is we have problems with inflation, we have problem with money. People don't have enough cash. People don't trust banks anymore. People do not want to buy real estate anymore because of the high interest rates. So where the fuck are you going to put your money? Where are you going to put it? You're going to keep it in your pocket? If you have money, let me just say another way. If you bought Bitcoin before, are you going to sell Bitcoin now? No, you're not going to sell it. So everyone who bought before at the start of this new bull run, they're just going to keep it. So whatever going to happen here is just we're waiting for new people to come in. So do not ever think that we're going to sell and Bitcoin will drop. We're just waiting for new people to come in. Again, Bitcoin price is not going to go all the way down because nobody is selling. We're just waiting for new people to come. Price going up and down, that's trading. That's people like me just go trade as something on the extra on the side. But we're talking about hodling. Like you believe in the thing. You believe in Bitcoin, so you keep it. You keep it. You're not gonna sell. So the price is not gonna go down. You might go up and down a little bit, but it's not gonna break. We're just waiting for new people to come. They might come from ETF. They might come from whatever. People think once the ETF happens, you're gonna see all these billionaire freaking investors who just want to get into Bitcoin. They didn't trust it because it felt a little bit shady because of all these weird crypto exchanges. Now it's regulated. Now it's under this reputable way to invest, which is ETFs, right? So yeah, there are gonna be new people, and once these new people come, the price will just explode. Just think about it. It's super simple, guys. It's super duper simple. So you just keep going. You just enjoy it. It's amazing to be alive in that time because it's a hard time. At the same time, it's very exciting. Have a great day, guys. If you like what I say, please subscribe to the channel. I'm just growing now. I would appreciate any support from you. Give the video a like. I don't know. Do whatever you want to do. Have a great day. Peace.